Welcome to Police Chase DL. Hey, adrenaline junkies. Real streets, real cops, and real danger captured in every frame. No slow moments here, just raw pursuit and pure chaos. Here are the craziest high-speed pursuits when everything ends in disaster. Broward County, Florida, 11:40 a.m., February 13, 2025. On Griffin Road near I-95, a trooper spotted a blue Honda Grom with Pennsylvania plates speeding slightly. The rider wore a blue ski mask under the midday sun. And that small violation was about to spiral into a reckless pursuit. Sirens blared as the suspect weaved erratically toward Interstate 595, cutting across lanes and ignoring commands to stop. A trooper closed in from the left, but the driver swerved through the median and slammed into the patrol car. Francisco Liscano was arrested, his license was suspended, and marijuana was found in his bag. Charged with grand theft, fleeing police, and reckless driving, his small bike led to big consequences. One reckless choice, years behind bars. No shortcut is worth your freedom. What would you have done differently? Share your thoughts below. April 27, 2023. While monitoring traffic on I-95, an FHP trooper spotted a black Harley-Davidson without a plate, the same bike listed in multiple BOLO alerts for fleeing stops. This time, officers were ready to end the pattern. Instead of stopping, he accelerated down I-95, slicing through narrow gaps between trucks and cars. Ignoring lights and sirens, the rider vanished momentarily from sight, marking his fifth deliberate escape attempt in a month. The Harley-Davidson rider is now under investigation and may face multiple charges, including felony fleeing, reckless driving, and operating an unregistered vehicle. Proof that speed never outruns accountability. Not every story is about chaos. Sometimes it's about composure under pressure and the calm that keeps control. That was a clean, professional reaction. Pure skill under pressure. That was smooth. He kept his cool and handled it like a pro. No stress, no patience. just loud words and no grip left. Meanwhile, the officer stayed calm. Style speaks louder than noise. But calm only lasts until the next storm. And what comes next shows how fast control can disappear. Osasco, São Paulo, Brazil, 2021. In narrow, crowded streets, GCM officers spotted a wanted man riding a Honda XRE with a female passenger. When signaled to stop, he sped off, weaving through traffic as the officer's helmet camera captured a chase straight out of an action film. For 6 relentless minutes, the Honda darted past cars, buses, and even a ladder truck, nearly colliding multiple times and launching over speed bumps. The rider kept glancing back, stunned as the officer's motorcycle stayed locked behind him. Bodycam footage captured GCM's precise control, weaving through intersections within inches, turning chaos into command on Brazil's narrow streets. The chase ended abruptly when the suspect's motorcycle slipped on a narrow pedestrian path. The rider removed his helmet, raised his hands, and surrendered as officers moved in without firing a shot. The female passenger was unharmed. A man on a Honda XRE without plates or a helmet was spotted heading toward a group of motorcyclists. He hesitated briefly upon seeing police, then, in a split-second decision, gunned the throttle and fled. Lights and sirens activated, officers pursued through dense, chaotic traffic. Dashcam footage showed multiple unlicensed, helmetless riders weaving unpredictably. The suspect glanced back repeatedly, fully aware of the pursuit, yet refusing to yield. Through tight turns and crowded lanes, the pursuing officer maintained control and distance, steady amid the surrounding disorder. After a brief pursuit, the suspect was subdued without injury. Police followed proper procedures, and the motorcycle was impounded. The swift conclusion showcased the decisiveness, professionalism, and rapid response of Brazil's traffic police. September 14, 2024. On I-95, Florida Highway Patrol spotted a red motorcycle speeding with an expired 2018 tag. When lights and sirens came on, the rider, 63-year-old Scott Thomas, ignored the stop signal and accelerated, sparking a pursuit that raced through multiple highways.
1770, we're 10 there on motorcycle. It's westbound Gateway. Traffic's clear. Speed is 30.
Thomas sped recklessly through Gateway Boulevard, Military Trail, and Woolbright Road, driving against oncoming traffic and narrowly avoiding multiple head-on collisions. During the pursuit, he deliberately rammed a Florida Highway Patrol vehicle, an intentional assault that underscored his desperation. Despite the impact, troopers held formation, protecting civilians while waiting for the precise moment to end the chase.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Here's the
Thomas faces charges of fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and driving with a suspended license. Further checks revealed an active warrant and a suspended license since April 2024. No serious injuries were reported. Thomas remains in Palm Beach County Jail awaiting prosecution, a reminder that every reckless run eventually ends in handcuffs. Miami-Dade County, Florida, night of June 5, 2024. While patrolling with K-9 Gunner, a criminal interdiction unit officer spotted two motorcycles, one male, one female rider, speeding down Northwest 2nd Avenue. When officers moved in, both ran a red light and fled eastbound at dangerous speed, igniting a high-risk pursuit through city traffic.
Southbound approaching Golden Glades. Speeds of 100. Traffic is...
Both motorcycles crossed Northwest 199th Street, reaching speeds between 90 and 110 miles per hour while weaving through traffic.
Alright, southbound.
Alright, so we'll do,
Buena ciudad. Southbound approaching 125. Secondary unit now, Miami. Southbound.
Secondary unit now.
And she is just going 40 miles an hour. All right. 23 in direction travel. Signal 4, signal 4.
The rider, identified as Daniela M. Montoya, was taken to Aventura Hospital for medical evaluation. No officers were injured, and the motorcycle was impounded as evidence, a reminder that one wrong move can end any escape. Rio Rancho, New Mexico, June 7, 2024. A car driving without headlights at night drew Officer Chavez's attention. The 20-year-old driver claimed she bought it 45 days ago, but had no registration or proof of insurance. What was she hiding? And how would this stop unfold?
Is there a way to look it up?
You don't have it with you at all? Why not?
I don't know.
And please don't take it.
Yeah, no, I
No,
won't.
I've had believe it or not, a couple weeks ago I had a girl right in front of me take a hit, and I was like, oh god, what is it? Then we'll put it at the front of the car real quick. Your foot? Okay. So what I want you to do is, you want to follow the tip of my finger, using your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Hmm?
So, make sure there's nothing on the road here. So go ahead and, can you imagine a line between me and you? Right. Go ahead and place your left foot on that imaginary line like I am. Okay, that's your side. So this first step is going to be your first step.
Okay.
You may begin.
One.
Keep your hands to your side, okay?
Do I look straight or down?
Just straight to your side.
6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay.
You understand?
Back and forth.
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
During questioning, the driver admitted to drinking earlier, prompting a field sobriety test. Clear signs of intoxication led to her arrest for driving while intoxicated, but this was only the beginning.
4.
So,
Yeah.
too much to drink.
Okay.
Not safe to drive.
Yeah, I understand.
Face that way.
And it's Friday, so some fun is on with
Luckily, judges work Sundays.
It's not too tight. Got small arms.
It's not tight.
And my car. What's gonna happen to my car?
We will have the totals.
Okay.
Can I see the Instagram now?
Of course. I have a mint. You want some of my tongue?
You want to spit the mint out for me?
Okay.
Spit the mint out. Open your mouth. Your tongue.
I might see the dust tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It's gonna have a dust.
Tomorrow's Saturday.
Saturday.
You just have to see the judge. Right?
No bail harm. Never?
No, it's a fresh charge.
Oh, I'm so scared. I don't like it.
Never been to jail before?
Oh no, a long time ago.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Judy?
At Rio Rancho PD, a breath test revealed BAC levels of 0.15% and 0.14%, nearly twice New Mexico's legal limit. Her reckless choice now carries serious consequences.
What does sister say?
Coweta County, Georgia, May 8, 2024. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly spiraled out of control when Antavius Boyd, driving on a suspended license, suddenly fled.
Get out of the car. He's stuck in some traffic behind a school bus. I got stripped up. He's just passed the school bus on a double yellow, almost went head on. Good trip. Alright, passing Mayor. Let me get somebody call over so I can put him real quick. Speed 103. No, I don't got nothing, bro. Watch out, watch out. Back, man. Oh! Yo!
Yeah, I took a Tahoe, hit a door chain, and just had a tire come off.
1411, no, and they came today.
A brief foot chase followed, ending with a well-placed taser shot that finally stopped the chaos. Boyd now faces multiple felony charges, including aggravated assault, and hit and run causing injury to an 82-year-old woman. One reckless sprint through Atlanta, 4 red lights, 100 miles per hour, a rifle loaded and ready. Caleb McNeil gambled everything on speed, but adrenaline always runs out before consequence does. What drives someone to trade freedom for a fleeting rush? Drop your thoughts below and stay locked with Police Chase DL, because every chase burns fast, but its lesson lasts forever.